I've gotten like mixed reviews on these, but you know what, it's okay because I like them, you know what I mean? What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Reika Yanique for those who are new, and today I'm back with another first impression slash review video for you guys. Today I wanted to share all the deets on my new slides from JW Anderson. It's their chain link mules. I'll go ahead and show them to you. It's their chain link mules. These are what they look like. I've had them a few weeks now. I definitely wanted to wear them a few times before actually filming a video, just to be as fair and as honest as possible. So if you were thinking about grabbing a pair of these for yourself, you definitely want to stick around. Before we get into it, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you're new. Follow me on all my socials. I will have them floating around in this video, and once we've done all of that, we can go ahead and jump right on into it. So yeah, about the mules, like I mentioned, they are by JW Anderson. It's not a new style. They've definitely been out for quite some time now, but I guess because the trend right now is oversized, kind of ugly, exaggerated footwear for spring summer, these shoes are kind of starting to pop up even more. Ever since I saw that photo of Rihanna wearing these, I was like, who makes these? Because I need a pair of those, and here we are. And yeah, so these mules, they're pretty much like a Birkenstock style. If you're familiar with the Birkenstock, that's basically the silhouette that this mule follows, but what takes it to the next level in my opinion is the gold link chain detail that's across the front. And I'll actually just come in a little bit closer so that you guys can see that. Yeah, so this oversized chain link or Cuban link, kind of looks like a Cuban link. This detail that they added across the front, to me, takes it to a next level. It basically elevates a simple shoe and makes it, a statement piece. That's what really drew me to this mule. This detail across the front makes such a statement. You can have one of the most basic of outfits, but as soon as you pair it with this, looks like you made an effort when you really didn't. And I like that, you know what I mean? I like to look like I tried without really trying. That's me. I decided to go with black and gold. I mean, that's such a classic combo to me, and it goes with most things. But they definitely have some very fun and playful colors. Like there's this gorgeous kind of baby blue leather with the matching baby blue chain link that they use. There's a yellow one, a green one, so many colors to choose from. You can definitely have fun, but I really love this black and gold. So typically I'm anywhere between an 8 to 8.5 US size. European sizes I tend to go up either a half size or a full size. I got these in a size 9. I got these in a 39, which is like a US size 9, and it's like a perfect fit for me. So if you're a US 8.5, a 39 will fit you pretty well. What I will say about the chain link, when I have it on, I do feel that band across my feet. It kind of feels a little bit tight. I don't know if over time, as I continue to wear it, the leather will kind of stretch out and mold a little bit better to my feet. Not that it's heavy, it's not metal. It doesn't quite feel like plastic. I'm not sure what it is, but it doesn't have the weight of metal. It's not heavy, but right now when I have it on, I can definitely feel the chain. I can definitely feel the chain link kind of resting across my feet. I got mine on Shopbot, but they are available on a couple of sites. I know Essence has them, and right now Essence is having a summer sale. If they're still available, I'll link them down below. And yeah, they sell out really fast as well, so hopefully, you know, by the time you're watching this video, they're still available and you can grab your size. But that's basically the review. I wore them a ton in when I went to Antigua. I have a whole, you know, vlog on my trip there. If you haven't seen that, definitely check that out. But yeah, it's basically the shoe. I have been wearing them non-stop since I got them, so be forewarned, y'all about to be sick of me, because everywhere I'm going this summer, I'll probably be rocking these. So yeah, definitely not mad at these, and I know I'll get my money's worth out of it. But I'd love to know what you think about these slides. Would you get them personally for yourself? Do you have your eye on them? I've gotten like mixed reviews on these, but you know what, it's okay because I like them, you know what I mean? If it's your first time here and you made it to the end, hit that thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button. I would definitely appreciate it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I definitely am a little bit more active on Instagram these days than I am over here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and until next time, bye.